this?
Rush, huh? Driver's license.
Does that matter? Why am I being stopped? What?
I'm sure you could guess if you had to take a guess. If you had to take a guess, what would you say?
I honestly don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't.
How long you been driving for?
12, 13 years.
You see that you just ran that red light?
I had a red light.
Yeah, the short block. As soon as you turned from Broadway, you stopped at the red light and then you sped off and made this turn to here.
I turned here, it was green.
Okay, driver's license.
Oh wow. It was red? The light was red? I can check it up my camera, by the way, but...
Camera, what does your camera have to do with anything?
I honestly didn't know that it was red.
Check that with a camera.